If you're looking to grow your business, you need innovative products and strategic partners. But where do you find all that? You find it right here. I'm Jeff Kraft, and this is Alibaba.com's Discover Today. As we continue our journey through China, we find ourselves in Shantou, the toy capital of the world. Shantou is a coastal city in the southeastern part of China. And it might not be as famous as Beijing and Shenzhen, but you will find that manufacturing dates back centuries. And today's Shantou is leading in toy manufacturing worldwide. If you have kids, take a look around your house. The toys you see probably came from right here in Shantou. That's because 70% of toys in the world are made in China, and most of those toys are made right here in Shantou. Now, let's talk about how big the toy industry is here. Despite the fact that total import and export in China dropped by a little over 7.5%, export of toys from China increased by almost 10%. The toy industry volume in Shantou has surged from $150 million just 10 years ago to today's $4.5 billion, which many industries won't reach in decades. Companies like Great Wall, Sanjoyo, and Rastar have emerged from being a local company in China to a global giant with one toy after another designed, created, and made right here. All the toys highlighted in this episode are available at Alibaba.com.